Okay, I just got my Lactobacillus reuteri out of the Instant Pot. And I just want to show you what it looks like, how you know it is a good batch. Do you hear that? Hear the bubbles? Do you hear those bubbles? Yeah, those bubbles are great. So as you turn it, it's fluffy and there's full of air pockets. And it has a really beautiful smell, almost like a hint of, almost like a, not quite like beer, but it just has a beautiful fragrance and it's fluffy. So as it came out of the Instant Pot, and now I'm going to stir it. And you see that at first it's very fluffy. And then once the air bubbles release, it is very thick, almost like Greek yogurt. I actually added a little bit more water to this batch. So but you see how it's a nice thick yogurt-like consistency. I like thick yogurt. I don't like runny, pory yogurt, like really runny, watery yogurt. So I put as little water as I can. My as little water as my blender will allow when I'm making the cashew yogurt. But this batch is beautiful. And you can see the air bubbles. So I stir it before I put it away in containers. And I always save about 2 to 3 cups of it because I make big batches. So I'll save 2 to 4. I just kind of fill a container for the next batch so that I can inoculate the next batch. But that's what it looks like. And when you eat it, it has a delicious tang. It goes really well with fresh fruit like berries, or you could put a scoop of jam in it if you want, or you could just eat it plain. Or a little bit of vanilla if you want. You don't add any berries when you're fermenting it. That's just something you add right at the end, right as you're about to eat it. But that's what it looks like. Beautiful consistency. Yum.